It's simple time and this is Chef Tato and today magluluto tayong isang masarap na gagawin nating simple as much as possible for you. Kaya, let's start cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. Yung gagawin natin today ay tinatawag nating pansit luglog or pansit palabok. Ano yung difference ng dalawa? Yung isa, yung luglog ay dinidescribe niya yung paraan ng pagluto kasi niluluglog natin yung noodles sa hot boiling water. Yung palabok naman, dinidescribe niya yung mga palamuti or toppings niya. So, it's practically the same recipe, iba-iba lang yung tawag niya. Gagawin ko una ay, aasinan ko yung aking pot. No? Always season your water. And ilalagay ko, meron ako ditong slices of pork. So, ito yung gamit ko dito ay kasim. You can also use pork belly for this. And we will let that simmer until it's tender. Siguro mga 10 minutes kasi we slice it thinly. And piprituhin ko na while waiting for my pork to cook yung aking tokwa. Yan. So I dice tokwa. Yan. Fry na natin siya. So our tokwa is frying and kumukulo na yung ating pork. Yung gagawin lang natin dito ay we just remove the scum sa taas. Cook the pork hanggang maging toasted yung ating tokwa. To fry it until golden. Of course, we will also season our tokwa. Hindi pwedeng walang lasa yung ating tokwa. So, we will season with a little salt. And just a pinch of salt. And our tokwa is done. Golden tokwa. Tatabi natin siya. So, itong palabok natin, special to. Hindi to yung kulang sa ricados. Maraming ricados tayo. And look at that. My pork is already cooked. Yung gagawin ko dito, I'll just drain it. And I will fry it. No? Diretso ko na siya fry. Para sa ating sahog din. And my water here, look at that. It's boiling. Dito ko na rin lulutuin yung aking noodles. Look at that. Put it there. And cover it. No? So, very convenient, very easy. Yan. So, we want our pork to brown. Little by little. Want it to be a little crisp, no? For our topping, para mas masarap siya. Luto na yung ating noodles. Yan. And you can put oil. Lalagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of Golden Fiesta oil. Hindi siya magdikit-dikit later. Okay? Everything. Yan, that's good enough. We remove all the noodles and we'll put our bihon aside. Our pork is cooked as well. Tatabi na natin yung mga cooked pieces of pork. I'm using the same pan. I'm using the same oil. And I will fry my tinapa. And in my water, yung gagawin ko dito sa water, ay iba-blanch ko na rin yung aking shrimp. And my mussels or my tahong. You can also use clams. And that cooks very quickly. And while we're blanching this, remember, it will infuse flavors. Yung sauce natin maging very malasa siya. So, as soon as my shrimps are done, tatanggalin ko na siya. Cold water with ice. And I just remove my shrimps once it's orange. Yan. And yung gagawin natin, we remove the heads. So, we put it in ice water para mag-stop yung cooking. No? Kasi nandun yung lasa ng ating shrimps. And we're just going to mash it, no? Durugin lang natin yung mga ulo ng shrimp natin. And I think my mussels are also cooked. Yan, luto na siya. We don't want it overcooked as well. And it has infused flavor into our stock. Look at that, ha? Nandyan na yan. So, nandyan na yung lasa lahat dito sa ating water. So, put it there to stop the cooking para hindi overcook. And our tinapa is done. Look at that. And ibabalik ko tong heads ng shrimp. Yan, look at that. I will also add the heads of the tinapa para magkaroon na rin ng smoky aroma yung aking stock. Everything's there. Yun ang sikreto sa good cooking, old-fashioned cooking ay lahat ng ingredients mo, kinukuha mo talaga. Lahat ng possible flavors na maaani mo. Yan. And I have here, ito, 30 grams of achuete seeds, no? Anato or achuete seed. I will just put it to the pot. And let that cook until maging red siya. Okay? Ito naman yung gagawin natin, yung ating shrimp. Look at that. So, we just peel our shrimp. Ito yung sekreto na pang-topping mo sa shrimp mo, sa mga palabok mo. Sobrang ganda ng itsura niya. Hindi siya watak-watak. Hindi siya overcooked, no? And we also, remove the tahong. Yan. Okay, done. And lastly, we have our tinapa. And just flake our tinapa. Okay na yan? So let's start with the sauce. We're just going to saute our onions and garlic. Yan. Yan. And all the flavors also are here in the oil, di ba? Look at that. And immediately, yung gagawin natin dito ay isi-strain na lang natin yung ating stock. Yan. Ingat lang. Yan. Look at that. Very rich. And I have cornstarch here and I'll just add water to dilute and add it into our boiling, pan. We season with Datu Puti Patis. Yan, we use patis for more flavor, no? Mas malinamnam siya. Yan, patis and black pepper. So, done na yung ating palabok sauce. That was so easy to do. And ito na yung sauce natin. Di ba sobrang easy ng sauce? Gusto mong mas simple pa dito, yung gagawin mo lang ay mainit na tubig, lagyan mo ng wow sarap na granules, at lagyan mo ng anato seeds and gisa mo cornstarch. Ganun kasimple lang. But ito siya is a very special version of the palabok. At least, marunong kayo gumawa ng something na level up. Look at that, ha? Half of the sauce, lalagay din natin. Of course, you can serve the sauce on the side. Yan. And we start off with our chicharon. Yan, dapat masarap din yung ating chicharon. Itong chicharon, binili na natin siya. Meron tayong tinapa, of course, the tinapa. Ready na pa mag-party? Try our version of our special palabok. Kaya nyo itong gawin sa bahay. Konting diskarte lang. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta, simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!